It is not just the introduction of new engine. It is a theory becomes a reality moment. For years, ammonia has been considered as a theoretical solution for decarbonization. By successfully installing the ME-LGIA engine, we are proving that zero carbon emission is no longer just a concept on the paper. It is a really carbon net zero solution for the marine industry.
It is a very meaningful moment, and it shows that years of development and testing have reached a real ship and real operation. At the same time, it is not the end, but it is the start of providing the engine in actual service. For me, it also shows the responsibility engineers have when introducing new technology into real use for safer and more sustainable shipping. After factory testing, the engine must be carefully prepared, transported, and reassembled based on strict quality control. At the shipyard, installation must be precisely aligned with the vessel's construction schedule. This process is only possible through detailed planning and strong teamwork across different fields. Safety has guided the ME-LGIA design from the very first start. Because ammonia is toxic, we introduced multiple safe layers such as leak detection, ventilation, purging system, and fail-safe controls. These measures are fully built in the engine design and control philosophy, so this ensures safety operation not only in normal condition but also during abnormal situation.
This signals that the wait and see period is coming to an end. For many ship owners, the successful installation and test of ammonia engines removes their psychological barrier. This shifts the market conversation on ammonia as a fuel from can you do it to when should we order.